Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing well and I'm good too. So in today's video, we'll be seeing how to update your profile on LMS. For that, first of all, you are required to type in the address in the URL bar and it's lms.waleem.com. Then this sort of a screen will appear to you, and here you will be getting the option of login to your credentials on the right hand side top, right? So enter the username and password that has been provided to you by Waleem administration, and then click onto this login option. Then the dashboard will appear to you, and here you can explore multiple options that are on the left hand side and on the main screen. So you have this option of the dashboard, profile, grades, messages. If you want to access your course, that would be somewhere here with the name, with your name actually. So my name is Miss Karba, so I have this with my name here. Now as I need to update my profile, so I'll be clicking onto this profile option. Here you can see some of the details of yours, and you can update the user details. So click onto this user details option and then click onto this edit profile. Let it get load. Now here on the main screen, you have the option of entering the username. So you can enter your username. My name is Karba, so I've written it here. Then you can update your first name and surname. Then the email address, or suppose if you do not want to show it to the other people, then you can choose the option as well. Here I have selected it as allow only other course members to see my email address, right? And here you have other option as well, so you can use it as per your ease. It can be hide my email address from non-privileged users. It can be allow everyone to see my email address, or allow only other course members to see my email address. Then you are required to update your city or town, the country you are from, the time zone, and here is the box for the description. So whatever course you are teaching, or it can actually have a brief description of your profile, that what is your qualification, what about your experience, the organizations that you have been working with, so that whenever a student is visiting your profile, they got to know like about your past experiences. Then scrolling it more down, you will be having the option of updating a picture of yours. So you can click onto this option, and then you will be getting an option of upload a file. Then from clicking onto this option that is choose file, it will direct you to your desktop, and from there you can choose the picture or any file, then upload this file. This is how your picture will be updated here. And if you are facing any trouble, then make sure that the acceptable formats are written here, that is GP, JPEG, GPJ, and PNG. These are the options that you can use in order to update your profile, and then click onto this update profile option. This is how your profile will be updated on the LMS. So I hope this video is helpful for you all. If still you have any question, any query, you can surely get back to us. You people have our email addresses and contact number. Thank you, everyone.